ये सूरह मुल्क है, 29वां पारा है और 67 नंबर। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इसकी तलावत आपके सामने है। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन द नेम ऑफ अल्लाह द बेनेफिसेंट द मर्सीफुल। तबारकल्लज़ी बियदिहिल मुल्क व हुवा अला कुल्लि शैइन कदीर। Blessed is he in whose hand is the sovereignty and he is able to do all things. Allazi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amala wa huwa azizul ghafur. Who has created life and death that he may try you which of you is the best in conduct, and he is the mighty, the forgiving. Allazi khalaqa sab'a samawati tibaqa ma tara fi khalqi rahmani min tafawut farji'il basara hal tara min futur. Who has created 7 heavens in harmony, thou Muhammad can see no fault in the beneficent one's creation. Then look again, can thou see any rift? Summarjil basara karratayn. Then look again and yet again. Summarjil basara karratayn. Yanqalibu ilaykal basaru khasiyan wa huwa hasir. Then look again and yet again. Thy sight will return unto thee weakened and made dim. Walaqad zayyana as-samaa ad-dunya bimasabiha وَجَعَلْنَا رُجُومًا لِلشَّيَاطِينِ فَأَعْتَدْنَا لَهُمْ عَذَابَ السَّعِيرِ. And verily we have beautified the world's heaven with lamps, and we have made them missiles for the devils, and for them we have prepared the doom of flame. وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ عَذَابُ جَهَنَّمَ وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ. And for those who disbelieve in their Lord, there is a doom of hell, a hapless journey's end. إِذَا أُلْقُوا فِيهَا سَمِعُوا لَهَا شَهِيقًا وَهِيَ تَفُورُ. When they are flung therein, they hear its roaring, and it boileth up. تَكَادُ تَمَيَّزُ مِنَ الْغَيْظِ كُلَّمَا أُلْقِيَ فِيهَا فَوْجٌ سَأَلَهُمْ خَزَنَتُهَا أَلَمْ يَأْتِكُمْ نَذِيرٌ. And as it would burst with rage whenever a fresh host is flung therein, the wardens thereof ask them, came there unto you no warner? قَالُوا بَلَىٰ قَدْ جَاءَنَا نَذِيرٌ فَكَذَّبْنَا وَقُلْنَا مَا نَزَّلَ اللَّهُ مِن شَيْءٍ. They say, yes, verily a warner came unto us, but we denied and said, Allah hath not revealed. وَقُلْنَا مَا نَزَّلَ اللَّهُ مِن شَيْءٍ إِنْ أَنْتُمْ إِلَّا فِي ضَلَالٍ كَبِيرٍ. Allah hath not revealed. You are not in but a great error. فَقَالُوا لَوْ كُنَّا نَسْمَعُ أَوْ نَعْقِلُ مَا كُنَّا فِي أَصْحَابِ السَّعِيرِ. They say, had we been wont to listen or have sense, we had not been among the dwellers in the flames. فَاعْتَرَفُوا بِذَنبِهِمْ فَسُحْقًا لِأَصْحَابِ السَّعِيرِ. So they acknowledge their sins, but far removed from the mercy are the dwellers in the flame. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يَخْشَوْنَ رَبَّهُمْ بِالْغَيْبِ لَهُمْ مَغْفِرَةٌ وَأَجْرٌ كَبِيرٌ. Lo, those who fear their Lord in secret, theirs will be forgiveness and a great reward. وَأَسِرُّوا قَوْلَكُمْ أَوْ اجْهَرُوا بِهِ إِنَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ. And keep your opinion secret or proclaim it. Lo, he is knower of all that is in the breasts. أَلَا يَعْلَمُ مَنْ خَلَقَ وَهُوَ اللَّطِيفُ الْخَبِيرُ. Should he not know what he created, and he is subtile, the aware. صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله النبي الكريم.